do hard things. Mindful Affirmation for Kids by Gabi Garcia, illustrated by Charity Russell. I don't always feel brave, confident, or strong. Sometimes it seems easier to follow others along. I get so many messages about how I should be. Pulled in different directions, I feel wobbly. When this happens, I listen for that quiet voice inside. When I pay attention, that voice is my guide. I connect with the love and strength it brings. It helps me remember I could do hard things. I could be a friend to myself. I could feel all my feelings. I can ask for help. I could try again rather than give up. I can believe in myself. I can speak up when it would be easier to stay quiet. I can say no, even to my friends. I can apologize. I can forgive. I can listen to understand different points of view. I can care for my community. I can choose kindness. I can practice peace. I can share my gifts with the world. I can be myself. Hard things can be about what we think, feel, say, or do. What's hard for me may not be hard for you. You are you, and I am me. We walk around the world differently. Trusting my voice helps me find my way. I grow braver and stronger every day. The tough stuff I face is all my own. But I could also remember I'm not alone. I'm ready for the hard things I have to do. And please remember, so are you. Mindful Affirmations. To be mindful is to be aware of what is happening right now. An affirmation is a short phrase or statement about yourself that is supportive, helpful, or motivating to you in some way. Mindful affirmations connect you with what you need to hear. Find one for yourself. 1. Choose an affirmation that you connect with from the book or come up with your own. 2. Take a few deep breaths. Repeat it silently to yourself. Pay attention to how it makes you feel. 3. Think about how this affirmation is supportive or helpful to you. If it isn't helpful or supportive, choose another one. 4. Write your affirmation down. Place it somewhere that you'll see it and repeat it to yourself. What you say to yourself matters. Mindful affirmations become your inner voice, which supports you in doing hard things, whatever they may be for you. I can be a friend to myself. Can feel all my feelings. I can ask for help. I can try again rather than give up. I can believe in myself. I can speak up. I can say no even to my friends. I can apologize. I can forgive. I can listen to understand different points of view. I can care for my community. I can choose kindness. I can practice peace. I can share my gifts with the world. I can do hard things.
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more monthly books.